Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I have recreated a filter that was created by a famous makeup artist, Leena Bhushan. And I thought when you can do the makeup just like the filter, then may as well recreate a makeup that looks exactly like the filter. So here I am, and now let's get started. For my brows, I'm going to start by taking the Nykaa Brow On Point pencil and I'm combing the hair of my brows in the same direction as its growth. Then I'm taking the pencil side to fill them in completely. For the front section, I'm going to give it hair-like strokes so that it looks fuller yet natural, and I'm also going to fill them in completely. To set my brows, I'm taking the Kiko Milano eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Smart, and with an angular brush, I'm going to tap it all over my eyebrows so that they completely set. Taking the PAC pencil concealer, I'm going to apply it under my brows and I'm just going to spread it out with a flat brush all the way to my centers of the lid so that I get a sharp line for my brows. Then I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid just to cancel out the veins that can be seen, and we also get a beautiful blank canvas to work on. I'm then going to blend it with a damp beauty blender to get an even base, and to set it I'm going to use a Wet n Wild eyeshadow, and I'm just going to tap it all over my eyelid so that we do not move the product. Going in with the Forever 52 Leena Bhushan palette, and with the contouring shade, I'm going to just take a fluffy brush and apply it on my natural creases so that it acts as a beautiful transition color. Taking the Forever 52 matte eyeshadow palette and going in with these two brown shades, I'm going to apply it very lightly in the outer corners of my eye and then blend in circular motions. I'm also going to extend it towards my inner corners on my natural crease, and then going in with the Amrezy palette and the shade Litty, and taking a flat brush, I'm going to apply it from the inner corners starting with the centers of my lid, and I'm going to take the shade little by little because this is a pressed pigment, guys, and it looks beautiful on the eyes. We do not want a very sharp crease, so I'm just going to tap it lightly following my natural crease line. Then I'm going to blend this pigment and the brown shade that we applied in the outer corners very lightly in just tapping motions. For my eyeliner, I'm taking the PAC Cream Gel Eyeliner in, of course, black, and since Leena Bhushan's filter is all about thick eyeliners, we are going to create a really thick winged eyeliner. Then I'm taking the ACCU Pro Precision Eyeliner, and this is again from MAC, and I'm going to create a thin eyeliner from the inner corners, joining it to the rest of my eyeliner, and this has a really fine tip, so I love to use this to extend my eyeliner in the outer corners or apply it in the inner corners. Taking the black shade from the Forever 52 matte eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to set it and apply this all over the eyeliner that we just applied. This will just intensify the darkness and the color of the eyeliner. I'm then going to take a wet wipe and clear off all the fallout that is under my eyes, and I'm also going to sharpen my winged eyeliner. Then I'm taking the LA Girl Color Corrector Primer and I'm applying it on the centers of my face because that's where the pores usually are, and then I'm lightly going to massage it into my skin. Next, to correct my under eyes, I'm taking the PAC Take Cover Corrector and applying it wherever I have discoloration on my face. I'm going to take a very small amount of it as this is extremely pigmented, and then I'm blending it out with a stiff brush. For my foundation, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and I'm applying dots all over my face, and I'm also going to apply majorly on the pigmented areas where I have applied the corrector. And then I'm taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it out all over my face. As this foundation is extremely light to medium coverage, I'm going to take a little bit more foundation and apply dots on my face and on those places where I see a little less coverage, because the filter has extreme coverage and that's what we're looking for. Then I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Retouching wand and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and other places where I just want a little bit more coverage. Then I'm taking the NYX HD Concealer and I'm applying it under my eyes, a little bit on my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead and the bridge of my nose, and then I'm just going to blend it out with the same damp beauty blender. This will just brighten up the face a little bit. And then to contour, I'm taking the Sephora contouring stick and I'm going to contour my nose because Leena Bhushan is all about having a chiseled face. I'm taking an angular brush from MAC and I'm blending it out. This can take some time and energy, so please be patient, guys, because blending is what matters after all. Then I'm taking a small angular brush from PAC to blend out my nose, and I'm also using my fingers to just blend it out and give it a more natural yet chiseled look. To set my face, I'm using the Chaparral pressed powder, and with the makeup sponge it comes with, I'm just going to press it all over my face. This will just mattify the entire look, just like how Leena Bhushan's filter is. Going back to the Forever 52 Leena Bhushan palette, and this is in the Peach Story, I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to apply this on all the places where we apply the cream contour, and for my nose I'm going to use my fingers and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. For my blush, I'm going in with the peach color from the palette and just applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm taking the PAC translucent powder and I'm just going to apply it closest to my lower lash line because I could see a few creases taking place, and we are going to let it be there for a while till we finish the rest of our eyes. That is, we apply a mascara and some false lashes, and then we will get rid of this powder. Today I'm using lashes from Kingdom of Lashes in shade Nikkie, but first I'm going to curl my lashes, apply a mascara, and today I'm using the mascara from Forever 52, and these are the extra large lash volume mascara, guys, and honestly they are bomb. After I apply my lashes, I'm going to dust off the loose powder under my eyes, and now I'm extremely happy with the under eyes because they are not creasing anymore. And now I'm going to apply the same mascara in my lower lash line. To highlight my face, I'm taking the K Beauty Illuminating Loose Powder and I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my cheek, under my brow bone, a little bit on the bridge of the nose, and my cupid's bow. For my lipstick, I'm going in with the NARS liquid lipstick in the shade Star Woman because this is the star of the show, you guys, and it's a beautiful red color which matches perfectly to the filter. And here is my final look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you like this look. Please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.